Respected parents, students, and all the well-wishers of Holy Cross family, we are very glad to come up with the second part of our Silver Jubilee visual video.
Some people believe the Kuruthi is from the Kurinji mountainous region of the Tamil country. Others say the origin is in the Andhra region. The Kauravas, who spoke a peculiar dialect of Telugu, are said to be excellent fortune tellers. Some believe the origin of Kuruthi tradition of dance is from 17th century. Here are our students to exhibit this.
யா சிங்கா
என்ன சிங்கா
போடு போடு தாள போடு யா சிங்கா போடு போடு தாள போடு பாடு பாடு புதுசா பாடு 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 புதுசா பாடு போடு போடு தாள போடு பாடு பாடு புதுசா பாடு நீ பாடு பாடு புதுசா பாடு நமக்கு டப்பாடையாலா நமக்கு டப்பாடையாலா நமக்கு டப்பாடையாலா
நானும் கிழமையுமா ஊருக்குள்ள போறேன் என்ன சொல்ல போற நீ என்ன செய்ய போற நானும் கிழமையுமா ஊருக்குள்ள போறேன் என்ன சொல்ல போற நீ என்ன செய்ய போற
என் பிள்ளை சொல்ற கேட்டுக்க
சொல்லு
விஞ்ஞானம் வளர்ந்து போச்சு அங்க மனிதநேயம் குறைஞ்சு போச்சு விஞ்ஞானம் வளர்ந்து போச்சு அங்க மனிதநேயம் குறைஞ்சு போச்சு இதை எடுத்து சொல்ல போறேன் வாழ்ந்து காட்ட போறேன் எடுத்து சொல்ல போறேன் வாழ்ந்து காட்ட போறேன் அப்படி போடு போடு தாளம் போடு பாடு பாடு புதுசா பாடு 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 புதுசா பாடு
நமக்கிட்ட பண்டையலோ நமக்கிட்ட பண்டையலோ
நமக்கிட்ட பண்டையலோ நமக்கிட்ட பண்டையலோ
நமக்கிட்ட பண்டையலோ நமக்கிட்ட பண்டையலோ
நமக்கிட்ட பண்டையலோ நமக்கிட்ட பண்டையலோ போடு போடு தான போடு பாடு பாடு புதுசா பாடு நீ பாடு பாடு புதுசா பாடு போடு 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 தான போடு பாடு பாடு நீ புதுசா பாடு 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 நீ புதுசா பாடு பாடு பாடு
நமக்கிட்ட பண்டையலோ நமக்கிட்ட பண்டையலோ
நமக்கிட்ட பண்டையலோ நமக்கிட்ட பண்டையலோ
நமக்கிட்ட பண்டையலோ நமக்கிட்ட பண்டையலோ
நமக்கிட்ட பண்டையலோ நமக்கிட்ட பண்டையலோ
For your lovely steps.
Education is the civilization's greatest leveler. It has the power to empower the weakest of the weak, bring peace to the world, and alleviate poverty. It is often seen as the long-lit path on in the pursuit of happiness. The year 2006 to 2011 were very important years for us, Holy Cross family. Sister Lucille and Sister Elsina guided the students to reach higher levels in learning. The first batch of students, 15 of them wrote the board exam and all of them secured 100% result. We now invite you to sit and watch the success story of our school.
I'm Adit from 9th standard studying in Holy Cross Convent Matriculation School, and I'm very glad to be here to cherish and recall the memories of Holy Cross from 2006 to 2011.
I am Archana from 9th standard. Can you tell me the various events that took place in those years, Adit?
Of course, I am very glad to introduce our beloved principal, Sister Lucille and Sister Elsina.
We can glance at some of the events that took place during their tenure.
Sister Lucille takes charge of school from Sister Shanti in the year 2006. Soon after the in charge of Sister Lucille bought new desks, bench, lab tools from Joseph ITI Ooty.
We got temporary order from the director of Matriculation School Chennai for the classes 1st to 9th.
PF started for our staff members.
Let me tell you about our school building extension. Respected Father Alexander Matthew, the parish priest of Devala, and provincials were also present.
During Sister Lucille's period, Science Lab construction was done. 5th Annual Sports Meet 2007. Our chief guest DFO was honored and the sports meet was declared open by the DSP of Devala.
Kids Feast 2009 was held on our new building extension.
That's good news. I will tell you some more interesting picnics and tours. Standard 1st and 2nd standard students were taken to Kids World at Ooty. Primary students to Metupalayam Black Thunder, high school students to Asia's #1 Vegaland with 51 students and 6 teachers. Staff tour to Silver Storm at Adrapalli, Kerala. All the students and teachers enjoyed the beauty of nature.
Sister Regis Kocheri, the Provincial of South Province, and Sister Lindsay Cherian, Vice Provincial, visited our school in the year 2006. And also, Mother General Sister Louise Henry Corley visited Devala Holy Cross and enjoyed the beauty of hills in the year 2007.
What an amazing! Not only that, all the national festivals were also celebrated on those years like Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti in a grand manner.
Oh, great! An auspicious day for the management students and the people of Devala. Our 10 students first batch secured centum result in their board exam.
Marvelous indeed! Such a wonderful harvest.
I am delighted to know that Holy Cross School Devala is celebrating its silver jubilee this year. It's a time of jubilation and a time of celebration for the staff, students, and the people of Devala. As I flash back the memories of the time I spent in Devala School, I am proud to say that God has done marvelous works there through the able and dedicated services of our sisters and teachers. The first batch of students had reached Standard 10 in the year 2006 when I stepped in there. Preparing the first batch of students for the matriculation board exam was a Herculean job as the syllabus was rather vast and tough. But the enthusiasm and the interest the parents and the students showed was indeed unforgettable. Though we had a tough time, yet I remember we didn't leave any stone unturned to secure centum result for the school. More than that, we wanted our students to be fully alive men and women who will live and work for others and contribute to the building up of a just and fraternal society. Today, I feel proud to say that our students of Devala School have reached the farthest corners of the world, holding responsible jobs and leading a happy life. May God bless the hard work of all the staff of Holy Cross School Devala. May our students who have passed out and will be going out of the school be an inspiration to others. Warmest congratulations to all of you at Devala School, and I extend my best wishes in all your endeavors.
Thank you, dear Sister Lucille, for the good times and sweet memories that we shared here.
Every new beginning comes from some other beginning's end. A truly great principle is hard to find, difficult to part with, and impossible to forget. Hearty welcome to Sister Elsina, the new principal.
Wow, that's good. Success is a project that's always under construction.
Oh, superb! Your dedication towards work is really inspiring. Wish you many years of achievements of your goals and success. Congrats to Miss Priyadarshini, who secured district level second for 10th standard. Her dream is to be an IAS officer.
I am Priyadarshini, alumna of this school, belonging to 2010 batch. I have completed my graduation in BTech Biotechnology and currently preparing for civil service. 12 years of my school education, right from kindergarten to 10th standard, has been in the school. My school played an important role in shaping my personality and character. Apart from good quality education, the moral and ethics which I learned from this place has helped me a lot to uphold my integrity and pursue my dream in this competitive world. My teachers were the biggest support system who kept encouraging me and motivating me both in my curriculum and extracurricular activities. One of the proudest moments which I remember in my life is when I scored district second and school first in my 10th matriculation board examination with a score of 478 out of 500. I still remember the day when my picture came along with my parents in the Tamil newspaper. My school congratulated me and recognized my achievement by calling my father as a chief guest in the Independence Day celebration the following year. I owe my sincere gratitude and thanks to all the teachers from Miss Rita, Mridula, Regina, Sumitra Miss Gidamani, Miss Tainmoli, and sisters, Sister Amala, Sister Dulcin, Sister Shaila, Sister Levina Brenner, and Sir Chandrasekhar, Sir Selvanayagam, and Sir Jayakumar. Special thanks to my 10th class teacher, Miss Pushparani, and to all the beloved principal, Sister Anisha, Sister Lucille, and Sister Elsina. Finally, I take this opportunity to thank Miss Sumitra and Sister Jayanti for giving me this opportunity to speak about my school. My best wishes to all the junior students who are currently studying in the school. Thank you.
Congrats to Miss Jessie, who secured district level second for board exam in the year 2010 to 2011.
Amazing Jessie sister, your achievements. The arts are an essential element of education, just like reading, writing, and arithmetic. Music, dance, and paintings all are keys that unlock profound human understanding and accomplishment. Annual sports meet on 2011. The dignity areas are Mr. Ibrahim Devala Councillor, Father Alexander Matthew, Parish Priest of Devala, Mr. Sam Beeson, DEO of Gudalur, Mr. Gopi, Councillor, Sister Elsina, Principal, Mr. John Pandian, PTA President.
Awesome! We went off for distraction, but we traveled for fulfillment. Education tour was arranged to Calicut for Standard 7th. They visited the Planetarium Science Center and the Children's Park.
Imagination is the source of every form of human achievements. Art and craft science exhibition was held in the school on November 5th. Students and teachers from neighboring schools, parents and pupils all appreciated the exhibition and it was a great success.
Wow! Wonderful!
Now let us listen to the rich experiences shared by Sister Elsina.
Dear sisters, staff, guardians and students, Jubilee greetings. I feel happy and proud to know that you are celebrating the Silver Jubilee of our Holy Cross School Devala, associated with the school from 2009 to 2011. Being a teacher, I was full of enthusiasm. Being given the responsibility of the principal of the school, I paid my full attention for the all-round development of the students. So I had an opportunity to give my best to the school to excel in academics, character formation and talent search projects. The wholehearted cooperation of the management, staff, PTA and local officers transformed the school into a center of learning. Along with imparting values of truth, commitment to service and love, the students came out with flying colors when the annual result was declared. The 100% result encouraged the parents to put all their trust in us. That all those who have enrolled in our school has a right to pass. The charism of our founders was kept alive in our school. That is compassionate love for the poor and the underprivileged. The poor and the tribal students took equal platform with the others in all the activities of the school. Their innocent smiles made me to do all that I can. It was a moment to be cherished. The school annual day, sports day, handicraft exhibitions, karate classes, dance classes, educational tours instilled in the students the spirit of sacrifice and a spirit of unity. Any celebration in the school was a community celebration of the locality. Students, parents, uncles came in large numbers and they enjoyed their children's performance. Students, you have accepted education as an opportunity to shape your own lives. I am sure by studying in Holy Cross Institution, you have caught the right values for your life and a sense of vision to shape your life. My appreciation to everyone who is associated with the school and being an instrument in leading to achieve our goal of molding leaders who will transform the world by shouldering world leadership on their shoulders. And I wish you God's blessing and hearty congratulations.
People do not live to think if someone thinks. One must reach conclusions. Conclusions are not always present. Archana, we are not ending our journey here, but we are handing over it to the next batch. They will take us from 2011 onwards. Thank you.
Thank you.
Music is a way to enjoy life, which gives us relief in pain and help us to reduce the stress of the daily routine. Music has a powerful effect on the human psyche. It has always been part of our association with specific emotions, and those emotions themselves have given rise to great music. Our boys are here to give us relaxation.
Five, six, seven. Yo, bring it back. I am robot. पंजाबी ना तो चुपचाप आते ना ही चुपचाप जाते ठाकुर तो कियो
And the beat goes.
What a breathtaking performance. Thank you Agilas, Ariharan, Viswajit, Rubaraj and Ajmal for making us relax and enjoy few moments of relaxation.
Uh, Hi, Ashwin here. I did my 10th in Holy Cross Convent Devala back in 2009. Yeah, it feels like long ago, but I think the memories are still fresh. A very happy Silver Jubilee to Holy Cross Convent Matriculation School, Devala. I'm happy to see that our school is growing so fast, and I'm sure our school is going to reach a lot more milestones in the future. And I'm quite certain that I'm going to witness them myself. To me, Holy Cross has always been very special. I've made some very good friends there. Although my class count was, I think, 21 at that point in time, I'm happy to say that I'm still in touch with at least over half my classmates. So to that end, I've made some good lifetime friends in the school. And all the teachers, sisters that I've met in the school have helped me a lot. I think I can proudly say that I'm the man that I am today is because of all the teachers who shaped me at that phase of my life. So without them, without their guidance, I don't know how my path would have been. So I really owe it to them. I'm really grateful for them, and I'm big thanks and shout out to everyone who made this school what it is today. So I think, yeah, I have very happy Silver Jubilee to all of us. To all of us who have studied there, to all of us who are studying there, to all of you who are going to come tomorrow, and all the teachers, sisters, and everybody who are out there. A very happy Silver Jubilee to all of us. Thanks again. Yeah, bye.
Hi, hope you're all doing well. I'm Ilakya, working as an assistant professor of English in Nilgiri College of Arts and Science, Talur. First of all, a very big congratulations to Holy Cross Convent Matriculation School, Devala, for making up 25 long years in the field of education. It's not an easy task at all. I have seen the school growing. I do remember how the efforts our teachers and then Principal Sister Lucille had put in when the first batch of students were about to write their first public examination. And I'm well aware that the same effect and the same effort is put in till today, and that is the very big reason for the successful 25 years completion of the school. I'm happy that I was also a part of Holy Cross Convent Matriculation School, for I did my schooling right from LKG till 10th in the same school. I'm happy that I'm an alumna of the school. For wherever we go, the name of Holy Cross is such a label that it makes us outstanding. All the very best for all the future endeavors the school is about to start with. May you color many lives as you did us. Thank you.
You heard about Nadodi Nirtam. Nadodi Nirtam is a folk dance form of Kerala. Nadodi means nomads who dress entirely different. It is a representation of social, cultural and traditional life of Kerala. Come, let us watch a wonderful performance by our friends. It was very beautiful and outstanding performance. Ready to watch a beautiful dance using drum. It is called Tappatam. Tappatam is a musical art form of Tamil Nadu. It is a unique form of folk dance that is performed with a drum in their hands. I am sure that you will be excited to watch this dance.
வணக்கா வணக்கா வணக்கம் நான் வாழும் பூமிக்கு வணக்கம் இருக்கோ இல்லையோ தெரியாது ஒருவேளை இருந்தா சாமிக்கு வணக்கம் குத்த வச்சு கூத்து பார்க்கும் உங்களுக்கு வணக்கம் உச்சியிலே வந்து பார்க்கும் நிலாவுக்கும் வணக்கம் பரம்பரை சொல்லி தந்த பாட்டுக்குந்தான் வணக்கம் நான் பறை கொட்ட தோல் தந்த மாட்டுக்குந்தான் வணக்கம் 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 புத்தம்புது பாட்டு வந்தா தாண்டவ கோனே ரத்தமெல்லாம் தீ பிடிக்கும் தாண்டவ கோனே தப்படுத்து அடிக்கையிலே தாண்டவ கோனே நெத்தியிலே இடி இடிக்கும் தாண்டவ கோனே பாட்டு என்னும் கண்ணல் வழி தாண்டவ கோனே என் பழைய காலம் தெரியுதடா தாண்டவ கோனே பாட்டு என்னும் கண்ணல் வழி தாண்டவ கோனே என் பழைய காலம் தெரியுதடா தாண்டவ கோனே புத்தம் புது பாட்டு வந்தா தாண்டவ கோனே ரத்தமெல்லாம் தீ குடிக்கும் தாண்டவ கோனே தப்படுத்து அடிக்கையிலே தாண்டவ கோனே நெத்தியிலே கிடிகிடிக்கும் தாண்டவ கோனே
Performance. It was really fantastic.
My sincere thanks to the editing committee of the second part of the Jubilee video, which has come out very well with their sincere effort and hard work. Sister Shaila, Mrs. Sumitra and Mrs. Paingili. It is with their hard work and sacrificing spirit they have managed to put every bit of information of those particular years in its perfection. Thank you, dear Sister Lucille and Sister Elsina, for all your hard work, sincere and faithfulness and the commitment that you have put in to bring forth the best in our students in this locality. Thank you all the dancers and all the students who are partake in the MC part. It was wonderful to hear you all. God bless you all.